Hey there, I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. Welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I am making a beetroot marsala. So very flavorful, earthy, and delicious. Easy to make. Check it out. Alright, we're going to start off with some chopped up onion. Really good in all Indian dishes. Then I'm going to take some beets. You want like a pound or so of beets. And then I'm going to cut them into cubes, about 1 inch, inch and a half cubes. So I'm not really worried about peeling these, just trying to make them into nice sized cubes. I think it cooks nicely and I just like how it looks. So I'm squaring off these sections of beet. You might use more beets if the beets are smaller. And there we go, some nice cubes. I'm going to toss those cubes in some olive oil, a little bit of salt. Mix those up. Look how pretty those are. Then I'm going to turn those out onto a baking sheet with parchment paper on top. I'm going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes just to get a caramelization on the outside of the beets. Not to cook all the way through. So while that's roasting, I'm going to get some onions going. I'm going to add my spice. I got that from Stock and Spice in Portsmouth. And you can check out the spice profile on my website. I'm going to, once those onions are cooked, add the spice, let it cook up for just a minute, wake the spice up, then I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Just crushed tomatoes, or strained tomatoes, I think. And when the beets come out of the oven, look at how pretty those are. I'm going to use a fork just to put some holes in the beets to allow the sauce to get into the beets, which will cook in the sauce. So just roll those around, try not to burn myself. Get some nice fork holes in there. Can't really go wrong here. I'm going to add those to the tomatoes. And I'm going to simmer that for about 35-40 minutes. Add more water if you need to, if it's cooking down. My stove tends to cook a little hot, so I have to keep an eye on it. But just add a little more water. And look at that color. And we're ready to go. Alright, my beet marsala is done. I'm going to put a little salt on there. And let's give this a try. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. The earthy beet flavors with that warm curry spice. That's a keeper. Try this one out. You're going to like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.